Hi, I'm Chelsea. That's me. Thank you for choosing Chelsea Lamet Design for your animated template today. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to edit your design, make it custom and personalized for yourself, and then save it and send it off. Right, you've opened up your template. You've obviously clicked the link to watch this YouTube tutorial. So thank you for clicking that, and I hope you find this helpful. What you can do right away is after you've got this, you can, if you want, delete this page. However, because this little eyeball is open, when you go to download this, this will not be a part of it. So you can just keep it on if you prefer. Now, if you scroll down, you'll notice in this particular invitation, there's multiple slides. Canva calls these pages. And when you're editing your invitation, sometimes the animation will only require you to edit it once with one page, but this one requires it twice. So you would go in and you would change the details for both slides or both pages. But for this one, as you can see, if I was to set this up, so changing the name and the date, and you can change the color as well if you want. Once you go over here to preview, because I've only changed one of the details, you'll notice as the animation goes and the page changes, the name will be wrong and the date will be wrong. So if you have 2 pages or 3 pages to your animation, make sure that you change the date and the name for each of them. Another thing I would like to point out is sometimes if you're typing a name and let's say it's too long, so we'll just make a really long name, it will drop down. A trick with Canva is you can slide the box bigger to fit the text, and then because it's not inlined anymore, if you right click, you see this align to page, you can center it. So it's an easy way that if your name is not centered to be able to quickly fix that. Okay, the time has come. You are happy with your invitation. You've edited all that you want. And now what? First, you can preview, which will show you exactly what you've done at the top, and you can see the whole animation and make sure you're happy with it. If you are happy with it, the next thing you'll want to do is go over here to share. Once you've clicked share, you'll click download. It should be set to MP4 video. That's the file type you'll need for it to be a video. The pages should be selected for the ones that you want. So you see the one that we didn't want to see, the eyeball, it's off, so it won't download. But the rest of the pages should be selected. So once those are all selected and you're happy, all you have to do is click download. And once the video downloads, it'll ask you where you'd like to save it. You'd pick wherever you want to save it, whatever you want to name it, and you send it off to your friends and family via text message, WhatsApp, Instagram, whatever you want to send a video on. That's absolutely perfect. But if you do have any questions or need any help, I'm always here and I'm always willing. So just message me on Etsy and I will help you, or message me on my website if you've come from there. Thank you.